say my name. If no one is around you, say baby I love you. If you ain't running game, say my name. You acting kinda shady. Say my name.
Channel, it's the Brittany B. If you are new, hit that subscribe button right now. Also hit the notification button. Welcome back to my channel, you guys. As you can tell by the previous clip, this is a get ready with me slash makeup tutorial, brown skin makeup tutorial, drugstore affordable tutorial. I'll have, if I didn't have everything on the everything listed in each clip, I'll have all the stuff I used in the description box. Now for my setting spray, I used what's it called? Glycerin and water. And I made my own setting spray. Setting spray is like $8. And I use a lot of it. I like drench my face in setting spray. So I went ahead and just made my own. It's really, really simple. You can find a video on YouTube. Or I'll make one if y'all want me to. But yeah, it's like $2 at Walmart to get it. So, yep. And for the powders, I actually mixed the, what powder is that? I mixed my powder, my expensive powder, with my cheap powder I got from Amazon, and I'll link that below as well. I mix those two because it makes this perfect little like yellowish color for my skin, so I mixed those two together to get that color. Everything else was pretty much from either the hair store, Walmart, or Family Dollar. So yeah, that makeup that is called Beauty something, it's from Family Dollar, and I think it's like $5, and it's actually very, very good. It feels like an expensive makeup, and I mixed that with my black Radiance, and that's pretty much everything. Let's get into this hair. I already did a review on this hair. I'll leave the link for the first video I did below. But y'all been seeing this wig for like, I think y'all seen it for like the last 2 videos, or probably the last video I did. This hair is my go-to hair. I'm very lazy when it comes to hair because I just like to throw on my hair and go like to the store and stuff like that. And this hair has been my favorite so far. I've been using this wig every single day since I got it. Y'all seen how easy it is to put on. Literally just put some edge control on and comb it out really big. This wig is from Amazon. It's by Vivi Baby Hair. I'll have their information below. If you didn't see my first video on this hair, go check it out. But this company is an Amazon-based company, and I'll have it linked below. But the hair is very nice, y'all. It's a little bit textured. It's not like silky soft. It has like a little rough texture to it, which I like because I like my hair to stay big. I don't want it too soft. So this hair works great for me. If you tried this hair, comment below and let me know. Did I miss anything? I think that's it. Make sure y'all follow me on Instagram at the BritneyB, and y'all put below what kind of videos y'all want to see next. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll talk to y'all on my next one. Peace.